Hello everyone, it is me, Camille here, and welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you a very outgoing eyeshadow look, and I am teaching you how to put on purple and pink eyeshadow. So I hope you like this video, and let's get started. Hey, it's voiceover Camille here. You have never heard of me before, and you have never seen me before, but today I am going to be voicing over this makeup tutorial. Let's see what we are grabbing here from our little pencil holder. We are grabbing our CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, and we will be using this as an eye primer. Today we are only doing an eye look, nothing else. There's nothing else on my face. And like I said before, we are doing a pink and purple eyeshadow look. This is just some tips for beginners, and it's also me kind of messing it up, but it looks okay. Leave in the comments what you think. So we're just tapping out our concealer as a base. And just so you know, I do not put any powder on it because I do not like that it gets matte. I like to use it as a sticky base, the concealer. So we are going to go in with this e.l.f. thing. It did not focus, so I'm just not going to go in with that. And we're going to choose that transition shade, use my watermelon mason jar holder of brushes. And let's see which brush we're going to take. We are taking the tapered blending brush by Being a Cheese. I do not know if you are supposed to say it like that, but who cares? We are taking that transition color and we are putting it in our crease. And we are just doing those windshield wiper motions for a very, 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 very long time. So let's do that on the other eye for a very, 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 very long time. And yes, now we're done with our crease. Nope. We're going back in with those windshield wiper motions again and again and again, over and over and over again. Okay, let's just move on to the next thing. Come on. Please. Come on. Windshield wiper motions. Again, 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 again. We are taking our Glamour Dolls brush, and we are taking that darkest color on just a little bit of it, and we are deepening up our crease and the little V's of our eyes. And we are going back in with our concealer and our e.l.f. concealer brush. And I'm pretty sure that it's made for eyeshadow, not actually concealer. I mean, like putting on an eyeshadow primer. But we are just going to go in and put it on the inner side of our eye. And we are just going to be putting our purple there. And the pink is going to go on the outer half. So let's just tap, 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 tap that out. And it'll just leave a sticky base for us, and it'll bring out the color a little bit more because we already put some eyeshadow on. And I'm sorry if the palette is blocking my face. That is my mirror, and yeah. And when there is not a mirror in my Lancome thing, I am looking at the camera. What am I doing? Okay, I'm just trying to make it focus. Okay. Let's go in with the eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. Go into this pinkish color, and we are going to go and put it on the outer half of my eye and angle it very weirdly. And we are just going to go like that with a very harsh line there. Who heard of blending? Okay, now it's in my face. And now it's not in my face. It's on the other eye too. That is not a very pigmented color. Please blend, please blend, please blend. Yeah, we're blending. And we're taking more, but we're still blending. Yeah! So we are not going to have our harsh line there anymore. You can barely see it. But now we're going to go in with the Lancome palette with that nice light purple color. And we are going to go in on the other outer half and just tap, 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 tap away. And that's not very pigmented. Yeah. We should darken that up. Yep, we're going to just pat, pat, pat it in and make a weird face because... And we are going to go back in to that pinkish color, and we are going to blend the two colors together, and there is a very white, harsh line underneath them, so we better fix that with more pink. And let's just put more pink on our eyelid, more pink on our eyelid, and more pink. Yeah, you just really need to creasing up You really need to deepen up your outer crease for it to be pigmented. Outer crease, what am I talking about? This is why I do not edit my voiceovers, so you guys can have a laugh at whatever the heck I'm saying. I'm talking about your eyeshadow needs to be pigmented on the outer V so that you can actually see it and bring out the other color and make weird faces and crease up your eyeshadow. We are taking the Eco Tools brush. It was upside down. Okay, here we go. And it is the Precision Blending brush. And now we are going in with that white color from Lancome and putting it in the inner corner of our eye. And that's way too much. Oof. I hope we blend that. And put it on the inner corner of our eye. I think that, what's happening? Oh yeah, so I just take a bunch of eyeshadow and I put it on my brow bone and then I blend it out and it actually looks really cool because you don't want to put a little bit, it doesn't look nice, and now it looks better. Please, 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 blend. Oh my god. Let's just blend out our stuff. Okay, I meant please blend please blend the inner corners. And she did. I mean me, and I'm happy. Now we are going to put on a little bit of our Lancome mascara. And no, I am not sponsored by Lancome. I just own these things. And my eyeshadow look is not very pigmented. But if you have more pigmented eyeshadows or your eyeshadow primer works better, you better do this. Bye-bye.